gold, since we have some major people in the house this morning. I think we have 24. So let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. Quick one. So gold is playing out some good thing that I want to see. I'm not in for gold yet. You know, I will come here, I will tell you people that don't do, wait till you see this. For some of us, we want to catch a funny nerve. We drop enter market and the next thing begin to hit stop loss or give drawdown. So gold has been, you can see, this was where I was looking at gold to trade to, because this move, the whole of this move started from this place and now down to that top. So we can extend this. We can say, okay, this is where what we break structure. We break structure to the upside. And now there was this imbalance here. You can see this imbalance. Gold love imbalance. You can see price has mitigated that imbalance now. And that imbalance, it may hold. It's one that is pushing price. That is pushing price. That's pushing price. So if I move my demand zone to this low, you can see that that place also fall for a demand zone. Just I love refining my demand zone to the last candle that build structure. So to accommodate. So anything from this zone, we may see dollar, we may see gold firing up. So a good move has started from gold now. All we need now is to look for confirmations that can get us into this trade. So let me draw to smaller time frame. Now, the reason why I have not entered gold, the reason why I have not entered the buy, I will just tell you the reason now. It's because of this place. We still have what? A kind of break of structure here, right? So now, which means everything here, we still have a kind of supply zone. A kind of supply zone in that place, right? So that is one of the reasons why I am not getting to buy to long gold for now. So I want to see if price trade above this place, good. So that would be a kind of relief for me, right? So that is gold. Gold is forming, is preparing for the move, but the move is not yet clear. We see trading in some supply. So we have some supply, we have some supply that's coming. So gold is giving us a kind of movement. But all we need is what? Patience is key. Patient. Me, yesterday like this, I just fold my hand, no press any button, because the market is just moving. And I don't like catching a funny knife when it's not in my zone. So let's see if we see price break this place. Let's go to 1 hour. If we see price, guys, if we see price, once price break this place, then we are what in a free trade zone on gold. So we want to see this supply zone violated. So that will give us that, okay, we are good to go on gold. That is from solar time frame, but the main confirmation will come today, by the end of today, on daily. If we see gold close bullish today, we will be closing bearish. Whatever that make us close bullish today, then from tomorrow, all we need to do is to look for what? A buy opportunity on gold. I kind of love especially when market is when market in a momentum like this, I kind of like to wait for bullish confirmation to really give me, okay, that's on hold. Look at the way when we bearish. Don't forget, because where price is coming from is very, very important. First move, we're coming from this supply zone. Now, this will be a good signal for us. This did not occur to me at all. Immediately candle close, bearish like this in a key zone with engulfing this bullish candle. This will have begin to sell. This will be sell till we see another bullish candle form again. Imagine let's say we start selling from here. This will be over. Even then, let's say we will get to this half place here. That's 500 pips. So confirmation now, price is giving us gold has traded to a very key zone now, which you can regard as whether support or demand, any of the two. So if we see another bullish candle close today, by today, then tomorrow, because of the news, we can just look for a small bearish, a small bullish position. Now, there have been a rumor that USD, this poem likely cut interest rate. Where is it? That's Wednesday. That it may likely cut interest rate. And if they cut interest rate, that may be, it may be dollar may lose strength. But if you increase interest rate, dollar will strengthen more. So we just have to be careful this week. It will be a lot of news ahead of us. So I love what the gold is doing for 4 hours now. We are close bullish, gold bullish. We just need to close above this last supply zone. Then we can begin to go fire up to this place. So Mr. Jerry is in the house. I don't know if you have an idea to share regarding to gold, sir. Mr. Jerry.
Oh yeah, good morning, everyone. Morning, Valentine. Everyone
Yes, sir.
on the call. You are very correct. We will be looking at what price is going to do on the zone that was taken out yesterday. Currently, where it is more or less like a channel. Break out on that channel. Well, maybe above that zone where you
Your
drew.
voice is not clear, sir. Your voice is not clear.
Can you hear me like this?
Better, sir.
Okay, so we'll be looking at a break either above or below that channel. Currently, where prices is on that channel, whatever the fundamental outlook would do today will determine what buyers will be taking. So I would advise everyone to
stay low on gold.
Down. If you are going to go down, let's wait for a good break below the support proper. And then if we're going to go up, let's get a break above that zone. Yeah, let's get a clear break out of that zone.
All right, thank you. So that is it. So both of us, we're looking at the same view. We are looking at the same view. When two traders are looking at the same thing, so that make that zone value. So here you can see a supply zone, which is a resistance zone, kind of resistance zone is here. And we have a demand, a last demand. But this fair value gap is also a demand zone. So it may not come back here if we start breaking up. So all we just do is for a buy. So for now, gold, please don't hurry to buy. Fold your hand and let's see. But I can confirm some movement is happening now currently on gold, which can be a kind of, because we have this is our last bearish candle, and now having these 4 hours, having this engulfing candle on 4 hours, and the next candle now is going to closing, if you close bullish, so there's chances that a kind of the up journey is coming back. So that's for gold. Now, what Euro USD is doing? Wow, this guy. I saw Mr. Kuma say take a position. Congratulations to you. Now, you see the kind of yesterday we were looking for a pullback. Well, this price was here, we're looking for a pullback for us to join. They say I call, but when there's a strong, and now this is advantage of those that swing trade. Those are advantage of those that swing trade. Now, this kind of movement, day trading will never get a trade, because as a day trading, you are waiting for a pullback to get in. Every day you come into the market. But let somebody that pick trade from here, swing trader that pick here and leave the trade to run. 1, 2, 3, 4 now. The person will be in massive profit. While you that only take here and you go out, you never have chances to what? To gain back again. So this is advantage of swing trade sometime over day trading. Now, price has come back to this support, which is my demand zone. And now we have seen liquidity. It's trying to see liquidity. What do we do here now? Nothing. Don't buy now and don't sell, because we are in a support zone. So you don't buy in support. You look for a buy opportunity. You don't sell support. Now, I have these two zones which I'm looking at. Zone 2. Zone 1. Zone 1 was respected initially, a market push up. Now, market came back again now, sitting in that zone. So if this zone fail, then we'll look at, in fact, I already consider this zone a phase zone. Then this zone will be a kind of a zone. So we'll go to daily time frame. We'll see that zone is a very strong zone. It's a very strong support zone. Look at it from daily. So so if I extend this to this, you can see that zone is a very strong a kind of support zone, and tally with what? Weekly, also a weekly a kind of weekly demand zone. You can see this red candle here, everything here is a weekly demand. Everything here, if I extended it, this is kind of, consider I have a weekly demand zone. So that last red candle, like a doji, is a weekly demand zone. So, but when we come to daily, where I refined it, so that's where I refined it to a kind of like this. So now go to 4 hours, proper refining. So I refine it on 4 hours to this last candle here. If I extend it to daily demand zone, you can see that price is already touching that demand zone for daily. So you can see now that what price is doing. Price is sitting on that daily demand zone. You can see where price touch it now, and price is bouncing. So all this move you are seeing here, this place may be like inducement for price. Oh, price, these institutional people, they know what they are doing. You see this movement? Because we are on a daily time frame. See this big candle, there are a lot of liquidity that is in this candle. There will be a balance range back to this candle will be balanced. So, and that is why if you are selling now, just out of yourself for now and wait for a bullish confirmation to buy. Now that price has come to where a strong zone, a strong demand zone. So now, do we have buy confirmation for now? No, we don't have buy confirmation for now. So we wait. So, sorry, my network hang. So we have now, so we have now prices. So if I want to refine this into 4 hours now, so because if there's some, so that we not get premature entry. So that's where I refined this to 4 hours demand zone now. Now, I will have low if price can come back to this. Let's say maybe if we trade to this place, so from here we can look for what? Bullish evidence and begin to know if price can rally back up. So for now, we just wait. You know, some people say every day I say wait. Yes, wait. If this place want to hold, then there's a need for us to see a bullish confirmation close back here. Then maybe we can look for a buy. So Euro USD, we are still waiting. We are waiting. We are waiting. So just wait. Let's see how that will go. So we are done with gold, we are done Euro USD. So let's look at GU. Likewise, GU is the same. So GU is playing out. Now GU has violated. So GU now, your case is very clear. Like we have violated that low. So let me delete the shaded thing and move. Oluti, stop writing on my screen. Stop writing on my screen. So daily now, daily is closing bearish. GU is closing bearish. So on daily, we are closing bearish. So we have a kind of break of structure now, 4 hours. So we confirm this, the break of structure on 4 hours, right? And now, what will be the next possible zone that we may trade to? This low, this will be a done liquidity for us. So now on GU, we shall be looking for what? A sell opportunity. If price can return back to this supply zone, so that would be a place that we wait for a bearish confirmation from that, a bearish confirmation from here from smaller time frame. Then we can continue to buy GUSD. So where price now is not really giving us what to do now. I love the way price closed a confirmed bearish. Now a kind of head and shoulder has formed. Those of us that know head and shoulder pattern. So here's the neck. Here's the neck. Here's the neck. Right? Here's the neck. So let me delete this because sometimes I may not go to that place. So here's the neck. So we have okay. We have so this is confirmed head and shoulder. This is a confirmed head and shoulder based on daily time frame, and it's coming from where extreme end of that movement. So this is a confirmed head and shoulder. We have left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. We have the neck. Now price has violated the neck. The neck has violated now. So all we need, price may trade down small. Maybe price trade down small. Then come back again, retest the neck. Then we can look for a sell opportunity. So in SMC, we call this a flip pattern. So flip pattern. So now all we need now is confirmation for entry. Rejection on head and shoulder. The head to the neck is equal to neck, the neck to TP. So it means that if this movement starts, we must see price traded as far as to this place, even to this place. So daily time frame has given us a kind of bearish scenario on GU. 4 hours, we have a break of structure. So what do we need now is I would love price to trade little more down, come back again. Anything here, we bring the look forward, a sell opportunity on GU. So we are done with GU. BTC is still in a ranging, so in that place, leave BTC. Oil, as you know, I show us the trade that was on oil last week. So oil is moving now. I think this is where I get into oil last week. So it's giving that momentum, but the momentum is not yet, it's not yet strong. So we see oil pushing up, oil pushing up. It means that this demand zone or support zone hold firmly on oil. So we are looking at oil to trade to balance this buy side inefficiency. So to balance it and draw liquidity. So oil is bullish. In case you want to look for entry on oil. S&P 500. This guy is super powerful bullish. We just need is even the pullback we're looking for, it's not giving. So the thing just keep on strengthening, but it's not ever ideal to enter this kind of movement. A pullback will be a very opportunity word to get into that trade. Even likewise, NASDAQ has overstretched, pull back to this zone will be a very good opportunity to get in. So other currency pair, quick one, we have time though. So we see AUD USD. I don't even like this guy here. All these things is bullshit. But it's not clear much on so if you want to treat this guy, you can treat this guy in a tube. Now we can use this last candle here as a kind of the other block that broke structure. So look at this. Here we break structure and again we break structure up. So this will become our swing low, so swing high. So now a kind of liquidity is forming here, which price is trying to take out. So if price can come back here and give us a bullish evidence, we'll look for buy in that zone. And if it fail, if this guy fail here, then another higher zone is waiting for us. So these are the two zones that we'll look forward in 4-hour time frame that will be looking for a buy opportunity on AUD USD. So we are waiting and wait for that setup to come. Likewise, NZD USD. So I'm seeing price may likely push back to this low again. So this way we look for where a buy opportunity again on NZD USD. The overall market structure is bullish. The overall market structure is bullish, you can see. So we'll just wait for a bullish patterns, a bullish moment to go. These are places that will have looked for a sell. We have this is the low, the last break of structure. Now, price has not take out this high. So everything here is see internal liquidity. So price can still come back here, give us a good bullish evidence, especially with the kind of if US cuts their interest rate and dollar going to weaken. So all this pair may now begin to bullish against dollar. Then we'll just be on that bullish move. You can see that everything that I've analyzed this morning, there's no end. We have not spot out entry, and that is it. We need to wait for a clear directions. So, yes, card. So card also, this guy traded seriously. So let's put this guy here as a kind of resistance for us. That this guy is trading. Let me delete this. We don't need it again. Don't need this again. So price are trade back to a resistance zone. So what do we do? What do we do? It's like a kind of ranging from daily. If we see a bearish candle close, we engage start selling. We'll sell back to this place. Simple. Just like what happened here. We make this candle close bearish. Buyers struggle to break, they close bearish, and price return back to demand. Move again, give us a bullish evidence, go back again, price close bearish here again, come back. So if we see another bearish scenario here, we engage, we'll just go to smaller time frame and do what? Engage for a sell opportunity. You can see now when you look at it from 4 hours, you can see that it's more bold, that we can get a good sell opportunity as if you see a confirmation, right? So we are looking for dollars to lose strength, so that in all these things we can trade against the dollar, because we have seen that a lot of stretch has so that is it. So this one for now, there's no trade for now. We are waiting for confirmation also. USD chef, this guy take me out. Thank God that it take me out and my stop loss was tight. So now, likewise, USD chef, we have another price. We have price coming to. No, the overall is still bearish, right? We have no change. So if this here fail, if this place fail, then price, the buyers have this zone to contend with. So if they escape this place, I'm not seeing them escape this supply zone here. So it's whether we get a sell from here or we wait for price to get to this place and we look for a sell in the directions of this downtrend. So we are waiting and see how price will develop. So we'll go to 4 hours now. 4 hours time frame. Price is currently rejecting this high. A liquidity has been taken from this high. And if the 4 hours candle close without close above here, and we have a bearish candle in another 4 hours candle, I will engage a sell. It means that they are not ready to take out that high. So we may see price straight to this to balance this sell side inefficiency, then maybe before up move. So our eyes is on this also. So a lot of setup, it's just that patience is what we need. And we have a lot of news ahead of us. So if you don't trade and your money is saved in your account, it's better than to want to trade by force and you are losing money. So USDJPY, let's wait as price get to that place. So let's look at some currency that's giving us that we can get in if at all we want to trade. So I will start with GBPNZD. GBPNZD, I can see some a kind of bullish coming in this guy, right? So the whole scenario though, everything here is still what? It's still a ranging market. But because it's a daily time frame, we can trade the range in a smaller time frame, right? So I can see a kind of a demand zone here that price tap into and close what? a kind of bullish yesterday. Now, the reason why I'm not engaging the buy for now is because price could not successfully close above the former bearish candle. So if today close bullish again, okay, that would be a kind of bullish, a kind of maybe we can bullish back to this zone. So 4 hours. Now, let's go to smaller time frame and now read market structure. So I can clearly see that demand, fractal demand has been violated. Bam. So that is a kind of a bullish confirmation for this guy. So if we look at it, we have this, we have. So can we say price, I've given you a change of character from, let's go to 1 hour for more clarification. So like that, right? And price move. Will this place be an inducement for price? So this is where we are waiting for, because when price was coming that there's no liquidity that's formed yet. So let's see from this zone. Right, so price actually came to supply and demand and move. So I don't know if price will continue moving now, or we may have price come back to take out this low. But my issue is there's no any imbalance that price may come back to here. So if you want to trade it, then you can use your own initiative to trade this guy. But for me, I will still wait for 1 day. Based on it's a ranging market, maybe I should wait for another day bullish candle for confirmation. So I don't like trading ranging market though. So that's for that. So SZD card is coming to a zone that I'm looking out. So this is one of my trade I'm watching seriously this week. So I'm waiting for this guy to do what? To get into this zone. So for this zone, I'll look for a bullish evidence that I can buy back to this place. So this is one of the trade that I'm patiently waiting for a kind of setup for NZD card. So put eyes on it. Put eyes on it. We have low here, lower high, a break of structure, and a kind of demand. So price can come back to that demand zone. We'll look forward. So eyes on that. But for now, it's not ripe. Okay, I think we are done with all the currencies. So AUD USD, yes, I think I took this trade last week, and NZD, UNZD, UNZD. So this was in exact week. Thank God. So you can see it. This was my entry. This was my entry. And TP. Now, about some pips to take TP. This guy, they run back. Like 17 pips to go. Though in ID, when you are taking trade like this, your TP should be 100% the low. So that should be the TP. Me, I'm just doing ojukokoro to target this drawn liquidity here. So this is the TP here. So immediately price rejects here, I think I'm off. So this is a nice trade on NZD USD. It's a nice price delivery on NZD USD. I think those on my this thing, they took this trade also. Now, what's way forward to this trade is that we are still more bearish, I tell you. And we are still more bearish on NZD USD. Any pullback again, I'll still also look for a sell due to this kind of momentum, and we are trading outside this guy. But I need to see what happened here. So let's see. We have not Do we break structure yet? No. We don't have a break of structure yet. So until we see price close below this place before we can consider that, okay, all we are seeing now is liquidity sweep. So for now, there's nothing to do. I will not buy, I will not sell. Because if price fail to close below here, price can fire all back again. So for now, profit taking, and let's see the next thing on this. Why AUD USD is in a support that can trigger. I also saw this, but because I took USD, I allow this one to go. And the thing play out very well, play out. So for now, price has come to where is a strong support zone. So let's see if a bullish evidence from here, we can start pushing up again. Patience is key. AUD, NZD, AUD, GBPUD, these are also a good setup that I love so much. I'm just waiting for confirmation. I'm waiting for confirmation. Can see price, a lot of liquidity, they came back, swept this low. Now, move up, shift in market structure. They have come back to the low now. So just waiting for what? A confirmation. So any moment from now, I may likely be on the journey on this guy. Take some what? Some risk. Life's about risk. So this is a trade I'm looking at. It. So my people, when I get into the trade, I shall alert us. So that is it. Right. So that is all. I think I've covered majorly all the trade. Now, this one has violated my. So this guy, GBP card. Now, let me put this here. So everything here is a support. So we regard this trade as a support. So what do we need? We just need a bullish confirmation. Once we get a bullish confirmation here, then we buy. Simple as that. So if you see a buy around here now, resistance will trade back to this high. And a price break, we have another high to trade to. So these are the trades that I'm currently watching on counter currency to get into a position. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time for today. And let's use some minutes, the many minutes for indices, synthetic indices. So yesterday I look at Philip 20. Let's see how market play out. Whoa, this guy play out. I predicted a buy movement yesterday. So I don't know if anyone get into that trade. So we have that buy, see? So all you need to look for is a buy opportunity on this guy for now. Don't sell volume 20. Any pullback is a pullback for you to buy. So that's what I can say on volume 20. My own is to give you direction. Flip 1. Okay, this guy is surely bullish, not come to where we are looking out. So this is bullish. Flip 2. So flip 2. Now let's see in a bigger time frame, 4 hours. So this guy what should you do? We already know. I told you yesterday, price was here. I said, wait for price to come back here and we're looking for a sell. So, but don't sell yet. You need to wait for what? A kind of sell confirmation. You need what? A kind of sell. Maybe you go to 1 hour time frame. All you need to see in 1 hour time frame now is this is the last bullish candle. If you see a sell that engulf this bullish candle, then that would be you can engage your sell and your take profit in this way. Lastly, volume 60. Okay, this guy is already bullish. Let's see on 4 hours. Okay, I've confirmed volume 60 as a for bullish. So, or maybe just wait. Let's wait in today. Let's wait till this candle close today. So don't go to volume 60 yet. I will confirm it tomorrow. If you see this candle close bullish, then from tomorrow we'll be engaging for what? Looking for what? Buy opportunity. So I will confirm. I will tell us what to do tomorrow on volume 60. I will tell you what to do on volume 60 tomorrow. Thank you for your time. Thank you. We'll see you again tomorrow. And the newbies, today will be our intermediate class by 7 p.m. So endeavor to join if you wish to join. Thank you. Bye for now. Stay safe and be guided.